JetBrains AI Assistant versus GitHub's Copilot. So first of all, let's talk about GitHub's Copilot. GitHub's Copilot is an AI-powered code completion tool developed by GitHub, powered by OpenAI Codex model. It integrates with a variety of code editors like Visual Studio Code and SS developers by suggesting code snippets, completing lines of code, and offering content-aware recommendations. As for JetBrains, is an AI-based tool built into JetBrains suite of IDE like IntelliJ IDEA PyCharm. It also provides smart code completion, refactoring suggestions, and error detection tailored to JetBrains development environment. Whereas GitHub works with multiple code editors, including VS Code and NeoVim and JetBrains IDEas. As for JetBrains AI Assistant, only works within JetBrains IDEs, making it more specialized tool for these environments. As for accuracy in code suggestions, Copilot offers more general code suggestions across wide range of programming languages. Its ability to generate code based on comment is a key feature. More precise context-aware suggestions, particularly for JetBrains supported languages. As for refactoring and error detection, Copilot offers suggestions but isn't as deeply integrated into refactoring or debugging workflows as for JetBrains. It excels in refactoring and debugging as it's tightly integrated into JetBrains' built-in tools. Now, if you want to talk about the pricing, then GitHub's Copilot subscription is based with a free trial as for JetBrains AI Assistant, typically included in JetBrains subscription. So that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.